The Mark 934 was developed to simplify the piping associated with steam traps that are used in a bypass line underneath large vessels. That bypass arrangement with a three-way bypass valve is a costly thing to install. The Mark 934 has an internal bypass. This valve has two bellows capsules inside, one very large capacity and another standard capacity. In fact, it's the same bellows that's in the Mark 993, our standard steam trap. So those two bellows act in concert to provide automated bypass during heat up when you've got a heavy condensate load, but you're also getting rid of air. So at heat up, both bellows are wide open and everything flows right out of the trap. Well, during temperature maintenance, or as temperature rises and we get close to temperature maintenance, the larger capacity bellows inside the Mark 934 starts to close off. And by 80, 90 degrees C, it's completely closed off. And the smaller bellows, the Mark 93 bellows, is still open and operating like a standard trap. And we can do that because during temperature maintenance, loads are dramatically reduced, and the smaller steam trap can handle that. So that's what we designed this for, to eliminate, simplify the piping associated with bypass. We created a bill of materials on this that I had checked by some engineer friends of mine, and the figures that we came up with that were verified was about a $2,800 savings per installation if you use the Mark 934 instead of a traditional bypass arrangement. The second benefit of this, of course, is clean steam utility expense reduction or faster heat up. And I say or because one of either is true. Either by using the Mark 934, I reduce the amount of clean steam that I use to accomplish SIP because I eliminate an open bypass valve, or I heat up faster. In other words, the steam that's inside the vessel doing its job, heating up the vessel, stays there. It doesn't go out the outlet of the tank, and I complete SIP a little earlier. Because this is a steam trap that traps steam and allows condensate to escape, I do not use nearly as much steam as I would if I had an open bypass that stayed open until temperature reached 80, 90 degrees C. This trap closes, both bellows close in the presence of steam and only open in the presence of air or clean condensate. So the net result is I save energy, I save clean steam use. I also can say with certainty and with logic that because of the way that this trap operates, I also will heat up faster, again, because that bypass is not open and I'm not losing clean steam pressure. All the clean steam is staying in the vessel, doing its job, which means the vessel will heat up faster. So two clear benefits on this with the Mark 934. If you're interested in reading more about this, you can go online to steriflowvalve.com or give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about the Mark 934 and the other clean steam products that we have.